The grasslands, shrublands, and savannas that comprise rangelands were formed by grazing, fire, and the prevailing climatic conditions over millions of years. Consequently, the plant and animal species that occupy rangelands are well adapted to these conditions and often require grazing and fire to maintain biodiversity. Biodiversity broadly describes all living organisms on Earth and their habitats. Grazing removes plant material from the most abundant plants to open vegetation canopies so that light and nutrients are available for a greater number of plant species. A greater number of plant species, in turn, provides habitats for more diverse animal species. Fire reduces the establishment and growth of woody plants in grasslands and savannas, which maintains these open habitats and their rich biodiversity. Grasses are adapted to fire and quickly regrow, while many woody plants do not. By way of example, 30 years of fire exclusion in the Brazilian Cerrado, which is an expansive savanna, greatly increased the number of trees and tree canopy cover. This major change in habitat from open savanna to forest decreased the number of plant and ant species that had previously existed in the savanna by greater than 60%. Grazing and fire are both potentially destructive, so they must be managed appropriately to minimize rangeland degradation and the loss of human life and property. However, the absence of grazing and fire is also destructive by contributing to the loss of biodiversity and increasing the risk of destructive wildfires.